Good morning, students. Let's start the next module of Animal Kingdom. In this module, we discussed Arthropoda, also known as jointed legs animal. There are some examples of Arthropoda: crab, cockroach, grasshopper, scorpion, fly, butterfly. Means this group related to insects. Let's talking about the general feature of arthropoda, jointed leg animals. Arthros means jointed or podas means feet. So these animals are also known as jointed feet animals. They are mostly insects. Habitat mostly terrestrial and some are aquatic. Aquatic like prawns, crab, scorpions, etc. Insects are the most successful life form on the planet. They make up more than half of our living things on earth. More than 1 lakh species. Means this group is the largest group of animal kingdom. More than 1 lakh species are present in this group. Body has three parts: head, middle part thorax, and last part abdomen. Body is metamerically segmented. Body divided into segments. Thorax divided into three parts and abdomen divided into 6 to 10 parts depend on the different species of insects. Three pairs of jointed legs means total 6 legs are present most of the insects, but few examples those not following this rule: spider and scorpion having 4 pairs legs. These two are exceptional insects. Compound eyes, which contain several thousand lenses leading to a large field of vision. In case of the human, there is a one lens which make image of the object, but in arthropoda, compound eyes are present means having thousands of lenses and they make a complete picture. But eye is not very much complicated if we're talking about human with human. They possess two antennas as sense organs. At the top, two thread-like antennas are present, and through the antenna they just check the senses, vibration and other senses. They are bilateral, symmetrical. Three germs layers are present, so they are triploblastic. Level of organization is very advanced. Organ system level organization. Circulatory system is open. Somewhere blood comes out from the blood vessels, and heart is dorsal side means back side. Cavity is hemocoel. Hemo means blood, seal means cavity. Blood filled cavity is called hemocoel because circulatory system is open type, so somewhere blood comes out and fill in the cavity. In this cavity organs are present, so direct exchange of gases and substances takes place between the organ and blood. Skeleton is made up of chitin, or this is exoskeleton means outer surface of the body. Respiratory system by general body surface, or if they are aquatic by gills, or if they are terrestrial, tracheids or book lungs means network of pipelines. Excretion by the tube-like structure, and these tubules are called Malpighian tubules. They are long convoluted tubules or green glands. They collect waste material and release out the waste material from the body. Nervous system, dorsal side brain means backside brain, and ventral nerve cord means nerve cord ventral side, front side. Sexes are separate. Sexually dimorphism is present. Dimorphism means male and female both are different externally and internally. Fertilization is internal and development is direct or indirect with larva stages. Some species perform direct development and most of the insects perform indirect development with larva stages. Now next group is mollusca. They are also known as soft body animals. Mollusk means soft body. These are some examples of mollusca: Pila, Unio, octopus and snail. Most of the animal having shell. There is a one exceptional case, octopus without shell. Let's discuss the general features of the mollusca. Habitat mostly aquatic and very rare they are terrestrial. Body is soft, that's why they are also known as soft body animals, mollusca, and without segments. Level of organization is organ system level of organization well advanced. 3 germ layers are present, that's why they are triploblastic. They are bilateral symmetrical. Body is divided into head, muscular foot for movement, and visceral mass. They have shell, and the body part which present in the cell is called visceral mass. Visceral means internal. The body which is inside the shell is related to visceral mass. Body is covered by mantle. Mantle is a thin layer and a hard covering shell made up of calcium carbonate. Respiration by gills, Ctenidia. These are the comb-like structure, and in the water they can perform exchange of gases. These gills are present in mantle cavity. Mantle is a covering, and in between the covering cavity is present, or in this cavity gills are present. If they are terrestrial, so they can perform respiration through lungs. Digestive system is complete and developed from mouth to anus. Circulatory system again open type. So there are two groups having open type circulatory system, Arthropoda and Mollusca. Heart consists of one or two auricle and one ventricle, depend on the different species. Excretion by Metanephridia. They are kidney-like structure which perform excretion and release out waste material. Nerve system consists of 3 pair of ganglia. First of all, understand ganglia means bunch of neuron. So 3 pairs of bunch of neuron present in nervous system, and these ganglia present in cerebellar at the top, visceral internal, and pedal foot side. Sexes are dioecious, means male and female both are separate. And few are hermaphrodite, means bisexual, male and female in same body. Reproduction, gamete fusion takes place, and fertilization internal as well as external depend on the species of mollusca, and development is direct, in some indirect by trichomorph larva. This trichomorph larva is a specific larva, pear-shaped larva having flagella for movement. Now next one is echinodermata. The meaning of echinodermata, spiny skinned animal. Examples are very popular animal is starfish, sea urchin, featherfish, sea cucumber. These are some example of echinodermata. General features are echinos means spines and derm means skin. So they are spiny skinned animals. Habitat, they are exclusively marine, totally marine animal. No fresh water, no terrestrial. Level of organization is a very advanced organ system level of organization. All 3 germ layers are present, so they are triploblastic. Adults are radial symmetrical while the larvae are bilates. Coelomate, because cavity is present. Body without segments. The shape of body is flat, star-like, spherical or elongated long shape. Head is absent. As we observe starfish, there is no head. Presence of tube feet. Tube feet are the specific feet through which they can move, perform locomotion. Presence of water vascular system means they have the particular system is water circulate and transport the substances along with the blood. Mouth is present but on ventral side, front side, while anus present on dorsal side means back side. Here we observe front side. So mouth is present at this side, or dorsal side, back side anus is present. Respiration by papilla, or this is called gills, or also known as cloacal respiratory tree, because they are aquatic. So they have a specific type of respiratory system, or this system having gills through which they can perform respiration under water. Nervous system is absent, so they are brainless organism. Circulatory system is reduced and heart also absent, and blood has no pigment without color. Digestive system is complete. Excretory system is totally absent. Through the water vascular system they can perform excretion. Sex is mostly dioecious, means male and female in different body, and very rare monoecious means bisexual. Reproduction is sexual by gamete fusion. Male and female gametes are formed and they fuse. But they can perform asexual reproduction by regeneration. If we cut any arm of starfish, so through the lost arm, new starfish can be produced by regeneration. Fertilization is totally external and development is indirect with larva. So these are the features of echinodermata.